about the spreadsheet. If you don't have the spreadsheet, click here to download it. When opening the spreadsheet, it will ask you to update links from external sources. Just click Don't Update. This spreadsheet opens on the tab H3 SES V5 S-World History 3D. This is an edit of the tab before it, 3B. Show 3D and 3B. Okay, here's the spreadsheet, and this is 3D. And before it, we have 3B, which is essentially the same, but there's a lot more information here, and it goes year by year, whereas 3D only offers 5 sample years, 2024, 2025, 2032, 2048, and 2080. You can look at the accounting of History 3B on video 34G and other videos, but for now we're starting with 3D, which is a copy of 3B, but most of the spreadsheet cells have been hidden. Below we see, on tab 3D, we start in the year 2024 with the Res calculator as seen below. This is the Res calculator, and let's see it on History 3D. Here is the Res calculator, and on 3B, exactly the same thing here, but this has a lot of rows set aside for spins, which we'll get into later. Show the Res calculator on 3B and 3B in 2024, 2025, 2032, 2048, and 2080. Okay, so let's go to History 3D. 2024, 2025, getting longer because there's more rotations, 2032, and getting longer still because there are more rotations, and these rotations are just simply spending the money faster. By rotation 1, 16th of January, then the money must be spent before the 31st of January, then the money must be spent before the 16th of January, then March. That's sort of the trick to it, spending the money more times. Okay. Income statement. Next we show the income statement, which adds up investment savings, the suburb sale, aid and foundations, real estate sold, and exports. Then this then gives us the figure in red that goes at the beginning of the Š-ŁÉŠ calculator, as seen above. Note below we see that 6.1, that then copies into the Res calculator in the same year. Okay, let's have a look at that. We're just here, 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 and here adds up to here. And we get that this information is pulled from this spreadsheet. If you see. Okay. Moving back to the top of the spreadsheet and scrolling half a page to our right, we come to the yearly figures for revenue plus savings, savings, and cash flow. The most important statistic is the cash flow. Let's have a look at that. So we're at the top of the spreadsheet, and now we're going to go half a page right. There we go. And what we've got here is the cash flow taken from from History 3B. These are all directly from History 3B. Okay. And we've got these figures here. Scrolling down gives us 2032 to 2048. Let's just do that. Scrolling down, 2032 to 2048. These are in 4 years apart, all of these. Okay. Then, as seen below and to our right, we come to the same figures, but now taking account of the cash flow variable, the cash flow GDP variable, CFV, which at 50% is telling us that we believe the macroeconomic double counting problem, if it exists at all, can there or thereabouts be dismissed by halving the cash flow. Halving the cash flow gives us GDP, or more specifically, multiplying by the CFV gives us GDP. Let's look at that on the spreadsheet. There we see it. And do we see it again? No. Let's just get back to that one. Yeah. Okay, so this is, let's just go back to discount, in brackets, to see tomorrow's prices at today's value. We found that if we multiply 2080 GDP by 25%, we get the future cash flow in today's money. 1 million in 2080 is worth 250,000 in 2024. From this, a discount multiple is created, getting higher as we get close to 2024. There we go. Don't worry too much about the CFV or discount rates used. I believe they are there or thereabouts correct. For now, we are concentrating on the standard accounting, or the macro accounting using standard accounting formulas. We just accept there's a few more noughts. Okay, we are at the end of the about the spreadsheet section. Next, we see the main presentation, Super Economics Book 2, The How. Thank you.